Hi, this is Jay from wheelchairparts.net with another quick tutorial on how to install bearings into your caster wheel. Tools needed for this would be Vaseline. This would provide lubrication and allow for an easier installation. Not needed, but it's very helpful. A solid object to place the caster wheel on top. Your bearings and spacer hammer. We prefer using a rubber mallet, but this could be done with a regular hammer. Just be extra careful when hammering. And your caster wheels. Safety first. Please be careful when attempting to install bearings. We want to make sure all fingers, hands, and any other body parts, bearings, and casters remain unharmed during this. Let's get started. We begin by applying Vaseline to the inside bore of the caster wheel. Remember, this is to help installation and make sure the metal doesn't catch on each other. Place the bearing inside carefully and apply some pressure to secure it in place. Next, we start hammering. Be careful not to damage the caster or bearings. Now flip it over and place the spacer inside, and then place the second bearing into the bore once more and secure and hammer away. Wipe away excess Vaseline and you're done. Thanks for watching, and give us a like if you like these tutorials.